Amazon Lightsail. Lightsail is the easiest way to get started with AWS for developers, small businesses, students, and other users who need a solution to build and host their applications on cloud. Lightsail provides compute, storage, and networking capacity and capabilities to deploy unmanaged websites and web applications in the cloud. Lightsail includes everything you need to launch your project quickly: virtual machines, containers, databases, CDN, load balancers, DNS management, etc. for a low, predictable monthly price. You can choose an image for your Lightsail instance that jumpstarts your development project, so you don't have to spend as much time installing software or frameworks. Lightsail has images with base operating systems, development stacks like LAMP, Nginx, and SQL Server Express, and applications like WordPress, Drupal, and Magento. Thank you.